it just stinks because I'm starting to see so many people my age or even younger go through a lot of health conditions, and it breaks my heart. I know what's typically causing it. Hey you guys, like, so some of you guys know, like, I used to like share so much more of my cooking and eating lifestyle. I think after my mom passed, I kind of pulled back from that. A lot of things I pulled away from when my mom passed away. So I know, like, it's important to eat healthy, and there's a lot of things in that food that we're consuming that is just really top from toxicities to poisons to just so much that's really causing a lot of problems in our bodies. Many of you know we've been on this health journey for like 14 years, and this is like what we eat. Today I am gonna cook a lot of things and I'm gonna break the videos up, but essentially I'm gonna go ahead and refill our salad bar with these veggies if you still have a salad bar, and there'll be videos for each of these. Then there's a tofu tomato salad with basil salad with balsamic vinegar and some other olive oil, some yummy stuff. Then there's some sauteed mushrooms and sweet potatoes I'll be making, as well as like a salad mix for that. Coleslaw, kale, and sweet potatoes. I'm gonna saute these. And then there's a cucumber salad that I'll be making over here. Cucumber salad, an Asian cucumber salad with some crisp and some rice vinegar, garlic, that kind of, and some fresh herbs for that. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna pivot back to just encouraging you guys to eat better. And it just stinks because I'm starting to see so many people my age or even younger go through a lot of health conditions, and it breaks my heart because I know what's typically causing it. 99% of the time I know what's causing it, and it's frustrating. So I'm gonna restart doing these videos, you guys, and hopefully I'm an influencer of you to shift how you're eating. It's not a conspiracy theory, you guys, it's reality. And you gotta just change. You gotta change everything. And I'm here now. You will see my CGM in these videos. No, I'm not diabetic. I used to be pre-diabetic, insulin resistance, but I was able to reverse that. I still wear the CGM because I can. I still like to monitor. And also I was taking some supplements, amazing results. I'll share that too eventually, on reversing my pre-diabetes, and because diabetes runs in my family, I had to run the other way. So, all right, you guys. So check out these upcoming videos. I don't know what day I'm gonna drop them, but you'll see them, and hopefully you partake in some of these veggie festivities. You gotta take care of your body, guys. Gotta take care of your body, and this is a every week venture for us. Lots of veggies.